My PC was maxed out at 100 CPU, high memory use, and heavy background network activity. Instead of hunting down the cause, I ran EXM tweaks. Here is the before and after in Task Manager. If you are having the same problem, follow along in this video. For doing this, I need to show my performance page. Check my video description for this EXM tweaks. Boost your PC's gaming performance. Download for free. Lots of people using it. You can trust this guy. Once you download, select create backup and select create new and name this backup EXM and select create option. If anything went wrong, you can easily restore to previous Windows state using this backup. You can simply click on use option, go to general. Before you disable anything, read the warning note so you don't turn off things that you need. Other options are safe to disable. Once all the optimization done, you can now go to privacy. Same thing applies here. Then on everything before turning on, read these warnings. And once done, go to apps and optimize the app you use the most. For example, I'm going to optimize the Chrome I use the most. It takes our most used apps and cut down how much CPU and RAM they eats up in the background. Go to power plan, and for laptop users and desktop users, select apply option. Now, once this all done, close stuff here and restart your PC for the changes take effect. After restarting your PC, open Task Manager, go to Performance. You can able to see 125 processes, and in idle you will see less RAM usage, less disk usage, and everything will be reduced. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.